Welcome to iMobi Support Channel. Do you have an image with a distracting watermark or an unwanted object that's ruining your perfect shot? No worries, you don't need any complicated software to fix it. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to easily remove watermarks, logos, or anything else you don't want in your image, using Wipit's powerful Remove Watermark from Images feature. It only takes a few simple steps, and your photos will look clean and professional in no time. Let's get started. First, download and install Wipit from the official iMobi website onto your computer. Once installed, launch the software. You can easily upload your images by dragging and dropping them into the app, or using the upload button. Feel free to upload multiple images at once if you need to process several photos together. After uploading, your images will appear in the slide view on the left panel, ready for editing. To remove a watermark, click Select Area and use your mouse to outline the watermark or logo. Once you release the mouse, Wipit will automatically detect the edges and blend them naturally with the surrounding area. Alternatively, you can use the brush or eraser tools to manually paint over the unwanted watermark. Adjust the brush or eraser size as needed for precision, especially in small or detailed areas. Once you've selected the watermark or unwanted object, click the preview button to see how it looks after the removal. Wipit uses AI to detect and handle the edges smoothly, ensuring the surrounding areas look natural. Once you're satisfied with the result, click the Export button to save your edited image. When you click the Export button, a pop-up window will appear where you can set the file name and the image save location. Once you've made your selections, click the Export button. After the export is complete, you can find the image in the specified location. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.